When you buy a Mahindra EV, this is what you get as a welcome pack. But no, sir, you didn't get the regular one. You got the Formula E version, and with that comes this as the welcome kit. Do you want to know what's inside? Let's have a look. So, the first thing that we get is this envelope, and it has, something about this confidential. Oh my god. Anyway, now inside this is a blueprint that shows the BE6 Formula E version, and it shows a split of how this is inspired from Mahindra's own Formula E racing car. This looks so cool. Next, what you get is a certificate of authenticity that tells that you are one of the first customers of BE6. Now I don't feel very good about holding this certificate, but I'm sure the first 999 customers must be so happy about getting this. Next, what you get is a BE6 Formula E welcome kit that looks 100% inspired from the interiors of this Mahindra BE6 Formula E. If you would notice, this is so similar. Now let's check out what's inside this box. And for that, let's step inside the car. Now inside the box, you have multiple articles. One is this Formula E branded water bottle or sipper, which says inspired by the track, built for the road. Oh, so right. And then we have this. That's a mouse pad, I suppose. This is how it looks. And if you want to see the details, then next, let's open this up. What you have is a Mahindra Formula E cap. It says Scream Electric. I would say it is not of very good quality, but at least you have it. And next we have this photo frame. Again, not a very high quality one, a decent one. And then last but not the least, we have this BE Formula E branded keychain. But I didn't really like how it looks. Somehow it looks out. This shouldn't have been tan. This could have been this same black and orangish kind of a thing. Maybe made out of the same Alcantara-like material, or maybe how the door strap is. But it's all right. Now that you know what's inside the kit, I know many of you who are especially the enthusiasts would want to get the kit once they go and buy this car. So as per Mahindra, this kit was exclusively available to the first 999 customers only. And even if you go to the dealerships to buy this car, most of them are going to tell you the same. However, right now the purchasing power is in your hand. So once you go to the dealership and ask for this car, also tell them that you are only and only interested in buying from them if they have the kit available. And trust me, first they would refuse and then they would arrange it for you. Just have some patience. And in case you are still not able to get it, then you drop an email to Mahindra customer care and they are very, very helpful. They'll make the arrangements for you. Because when I went and got the car, even I was handed over with the regular kit. But as I started joining communities and talking to new people who are the new buyers, I got to know that they also got the Formula E kit as of today. Then why not me? So I went to all this extent by reaching out to Mahindra and getting the kit. So this is something that you can get on day one if you push your dealership right away, that you will not buy the car if you cannot arrange the kit. As simple as that. So what do you guys think about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And I know many of you will find this stupid or silly. What kit? And why are you so pumped up about this? Well, I see it a little bit differently. Especially because of that blueprint that is included, that tells you more about the car. And I don't know if I shared this with you guys or not, but this number plate 2907, this is the date of birth of my daughter. I was recently blessed with a baby girl. So the idea is that I would place this blueprint in my bedroom, and I would want my daughter to see that every single day. Of course, other than my face and my wife's face, because you gotta teach your kids young. These are not just pieces of metal or machines. This is a pure emotion, and I would want to teach my daughter the same. Of course, it's her choice if she wants to see the car like I do, but I'll do my best. This is Ayush. You are watching AJ9017. See you in the next one. Bye.